Hell yeah. That's what we doing today. That's what we doing today. Every day of my life, working on fucking cars, making a video, procrastinating, and fucking forgetting to make it one. Oh, this pretty thing, man. So pretty. It just works too. Oh. That's the fan. The injector fan. Kind of silly. It does that, I guess. And today is the day that we put it together. Because I can. I think. Maybe I can't. I don't know. Maybe I'm too retarded. We'll find out though. It's so clean. Oh my gosh. The surface is... I think it's ready for a gasket. I've been cleaning the fuck out of it for days. With a razor and shit. I think it's ready for the head. Hopefully. We'll find out. Alright, so now we got the compressor in. Wow, look at all the compressinator. So what are we doing to this, Carlito?
We're dropping the subframe, going to the oil pan and fixing a O-ring.
Because it's totally broken, right? It's broken, it's not working?
Hey, it's better to make sure that it's not going to break on me then.
This motherfucker. You could have just...
Hey, it's the M113 kill. If people know this car, they'll know. They know that it's worth doing.
Okay. Maybe they will.
Maybe they will. People will want to do.
What are you doing? What are you scavenging for over there? So what are you doing? You got a smaller pulley for it?
Yeah.
You got a smaller pulley for it. You got an underdrive pulley. Two?
Two.
Oh.
Yeah.
Two. Yes. And then you're putting an intercooler on it, and then it should make how much?
Huh?
How much will it make after that?
Well, I don't know.
5 million horsepower?
Something like that.
Something like that. More than all of my cars combined.
Yeah, definitely more than your car combined.
Well, I have 3, so 140, 160, 160. Yeah, still, this thing still stock makes more than all of my fucking goddamn cars combined.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Why do you have your fucking laptop in here? This ain't no Civic. Did you just come from school?
No. It's fucking Saturday.
Okay. I wouldn't fucking know. I don't run off a clock anymore. I don't have this whole school stuff anymore. I just fill my life with garbage. Fill my life with hell. Okay, well, this is getting put back together. So basically I'm putting old timing components back in because I don't give a fuck, because every timing set I buy is like completely shitty. This is like a $200 timing set. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. This is literally straight booty penis garbage. I can't do anything with this. Like, that bolt does not fit in here. Hold on. Does it? I'm gonna check again because, yeah, and this is the other.
Genuine City Pods.
Oh, you got the genuine. Oh!
Genuine City Pods.
Genuine City Pods. So is this the O-ring?
No, that shit is at home because they didn't get delivered until right now. I just got an email from them saying that it got delivered. So you're gonna start with this? Yeah.
Are you gonna drive
the
home?
reason why check engine light is
Are you
on.
gonna try and drive home after this?
Well, I plan on doing this and then dropping it and then
Oh, yeah,
going
yeah.
back the other one.
That's fine. That's fine.
No point of going back.
So my bitch ass is driving you home in my not even running Z. My Z's fucking started idling like straight booty penis, sounding like it's got a sort of a leak of the vacuum type. The vacuum type leaks. Gosh, if I had a car this nice, I would have sold it and bought a bunch of shittier ones. Alright, well, it's starting to look like an engine again. All this shit sealed up.
It runs like an engine.
Yeah, I don't know if this thing's gonna run. I think I'm building a time bomb. I had to use the old timing components because I could not get ones that fit for some fucking reason. Or were just straight garbage. I bought a $200 timing kit and a $50 timing kit. And they both didn't fit right and had the wrong shit in it. So Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I'm using the chain though. The chain and the tensioner. Just the guides are staying. And got it all sealed up nicely with some Honda Ultra Flange. You know, that's what we gotta do. Just use some Honda Ultra Flange. I got this fucking Mercedes cuck. What are you doing under there?
Removing a cover.
Removing a car, he says.
Removing a cover.
Oh!
So that I can access my secondary air injection.
Hey, okay. I said, okay. And just like that, it almost looks like an engine again. I haven't gotten all the cam caps on. I forget why. Oh, shit, because of the distributor. I think I ordered the O-ring. I have all my fucking RX-7 clutch box. Or RX-8, sorry. I have a bunch of Nissan parts. I think the O-rings in here, these are all from Nissan. I'm not going to be replacing these because I have literally a new oil pump that came with an OEM seal, and the rear main is not leaking at all, and I can pull a trans on one of these in a relatively short amount of time. Fuel pump is not getting any power, so I'm literally just going to get power off of here, throw a switch on it, call it a day. I don't really give a fuck. This is kind of a throwaway car at this point. I'll just see how long it lasts. I'm probably gonna daily it though because it's an SR and should get good gas mileage, but I think it's within time, I hope, because if it's not, then I'm gonna have a fucking issue. Obviously, it won't run, but for the most part, everything is together. Head bolts are torqued to I'm not gonna talk about that. This thing's a fucking time bomb, like, to be honest, truly a time bomb. I have this Polion. Supposedly it needs to be harmonic balanced. Some people argue about that, but I'm just gonna run it without the harmonic balancer. I don't really give a fuck at this point. If I get a year out of this motor, we'll be chilling. But we have a steel head gasket. It's meant for both front wheel drive and rear wheel drive SRs, so that's why this shit's out here. This is a front wheel drive. But yeah, this thing looks decently pretty. Like, I gotta put the lower pan on. I got this pan resealed all nice with a Honda Ultra Flange, because what the fuck, why not, right? New water pump. I'm gonna put the powered steering pump on. All the I gotta get all the bracket trees onto the engine. Valve cover, distributor. I'm gonna put everything on and then put the engine in the car, because once the engine's in the car, there's not much working room around in here. So yeah, that's how that's gonna go. Hopefully decently well. Maybe the engine will sit in here today. That would be nice. I'd really enjoy that. This pan is garbage. I think it might have a hole in it. I don't know. The old engine blew up and blew holes through the bottom. That one blew holes through this lower pan or upper pan, and the block. But this is still an old head, so I need I got all the valves done in this engine. They're all new valves, and I got it machined. So this should be a healthy engine after this. These cams, although this is a high port, these are low port cams, which is pretty fucking stupid, because if anybody SR front wheel drive SR people know that the high port has a higher cam, and this low port cam is low. But my high port cams that were in the car, if I can show you, no, that's the exhaust, that's the better one. Here's the intake. This is not a cam I want to be putting in a car. If you can see that huge lip and the fact that it's all chewed up, this is a ruined cam. So chances are that if I put that cam back in that car, it's probably gonna make less power than that nice shiny low port cam. And this is the low port head that I have, because the G20 that we scrapped was my old G20, also his old G20. Oh, I can't even fucking think. He crashed it, as you know, in the video. You saw it was totaled. There was no video of an accident, but I can't even think. The engine's good. The engine was fine. There was nothing wrong with the engine, but the car was ruined. So I took the engine and I took the block. This head obviously isn't gonna work with this car, so this, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Give it to the rebuilder. I have nothing to do with these low port heads are like worth nothing. Like this one's a really good example of one though. Like you could just pop in a car and call it a day after cleaning it obviously, but like this thing is in very good shape. It's on something, it's not warped like that, don't worry. But I would sell this whole thing for like $100. I don't need this shit. If this throttle body's bigger, I'll put it on my, actually no, these sensors are different. I don't know. I just want to make the car run first before I make any modifications. That's what I've realized. Well, simple, before I make like deleting stuff, like, because I don't know if I delete something and it'll cause a running issue. I'm keeping the EGR attached, but it's not going to have pressure. It's not going to have vacuum to it, so it shouldn't open. But yeah, this, yeah, because I have a block off for, I have the manifold somewhere over here, G20 manifold. I'm going to be running a whole G20 exhaust if I can fit it. But yeah, that's a whole like nice G20 exhaust there that I would like to try and fit on this. Obviously this car is a lot shorter, but it's something I'm just gonna have to figure out. But the layout for the exhaust is pretty similar, so with a little modification it might work, but we'll see. I'm gonna put this engine together and then I'm gonna put everything on the engine, and then I'm gonna maybe take that and drop it in here and be happy. Well, maybe not be happy, but get it in relatively and be like, yeah, I did something. But yeah, there's that. Hopefully that works.